Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Bitcoin is continuing to fall, altcoins are following, and we're about to touch the bottom once again. We'll see what are the market reversal signs these days and whether we'll be able to catch this falling knife of Bitcoin. You're watching Crypto Hamster channel. Let's go.
Let's go.
Well, we felt a little bit lower from 6,400 to $6,200, and we're continuing to stay around this level. Basically, the same trend as I was showing and discussing previous videos is continuing. So we'll see. Now we though can build a bit of like more defined Fibonacci retracement picture. You can see that if we'll just expect those levels are the major ones, then the drop will be the minimum maximum drop will be up until $5,000, well, basically just almost exactly $5,000. And of course it's very relative, very speculative, and Fibonacci is not really the golden rule, so we will not be necessarily going there, or will not necessarily stay there, so who knows, but still it's interesting to observe that. Should mention that the number of shorts actually decreasing after a certain time despite the price doesn't change, so probably people are about to believe that the rise will happen soon, and then they are closing their positions and go long. And in this situation it probably would be better to go even lower to shake out those new longers and all longers as well, and then only after that, so new short positions will be open, only after that we can go up. So probably this is the time when I wouldn't bet on rising trend, but I would expect even a lower drop. And two scenarios as usual. We either will drop to the same level of like 5,800 or something like that, where everybody believes is the bottom and will not go below that, or 6,000, something like that, and then we will jump up, bounce up from this level, or we will reach this level, and then since many people expect that we will go up from that, we will break it downwards and continue to fall. So many people will be panicking and sell, and we will manipulating players will be able to buy a lot on this bottom, especially with altcoins as well. So such a plan as the continuing of this scenario. We'll see, interesting to observe, but still I would like to mention this picture which I noticed. So we often have a comparison between 2014 and 2018 in terms of the correction of the all-time high. So in 2014 there was like 90% correction, and now we have like 75% correction, but this is true if we're considering the Bitcoin drop in price or capitalization. But if we look at the same thing from the standpoint of overall capitalization of crypto market, then currently we had like 79% drop in 14th to 15th and 77% drop in 18th. It means that we're almost about having the same magnitude of the drop comparing to the previous year or previous bear market. And in order to reach this 79%, just like for a perfect match, which is completely nonsense, but for the sake of precision, let's say accuracy, if we want to make the same drop, then we'll need to reach $5,500 for Bitcoin with the same dominance, and the total capitalization will be $175 billion. So we're about to reach there, and it's actually now, so this is a bit old data, so now the capitalization 192 billions and the dominance 55.6, so we are going there closer and closer. Interesting to see. Still, there's another sort of indication that we unlikely will stay below 5,000 or at least stay there for a very long time, and I would consider this region like 5.5 to 6 or from 5 to 6 very nice region to load your Bitcoin long positions. Of course, it's not a financial advice, as you know, so be careful. Always use your stops and do your own research and so on, but very interesting. I personally believe still that we'll go up from one of those level, and maybe September 30th will be the time when SEC will change the overall picture, and we'll finally see the positive moves until the end of the year. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you like the content, please subscribe and leave a like, and in the comment section some comments. I would be very grateful for that. So far then, I would like to wish you a nice day and good safe trading, and see you maybe tomorrow or every day in these sort of updates of the crypto market. See you guys.